Look at it. Billions and billions of rupees were pocketed. Lastly, when we saw that there were nothing left for the salaries of the teacher. But the universities have also to see that it is a university of a poor province or poor country, which is going in depths. Previously, there are some departments where the number of faculty members are more than the students. Just they have made the universities an employment exchange. Now, this will be not repeated in the future. And I seek your cooperation in this. And government will also give cooperation along with the administration to meet your every demand. But you have to give me, you have to improve the grade of the university. At least bring it to 70 or 80%. So that the people living in Job, that the people living in Khuzdar, that the people living in Noshki shall feel safe to send their daughters here to this university. And this is, I think, inshallah, we will do for the other universities also. And nothing will be tolerated that the classes, the teacher has not come and the classes are suspended. And the classes are not going to do it. Not in this university, but also in Butams, and where they have made a routine to take half classes of their duty. It will never be tolerated. But as a olive branch, I am presenting you, your every demand will be met, which is in the source of the government and which is in the source of the chancellor. But you have to give in reciprocal the quality of education, classes, regular classes, and discipline of the teachers and students, everything that is needed. I may seek leave now because I have to deliver. Sorry if someone has to felt it, I don't need. I transfer this, all this, it was before, this Vice Chancellor and this Pro-Vice Chancellor. And I heard that some of the faculty members are also involved in the politics. How can politics be tolerated in the universities? There will never be universities. The Vice Chancellor will be the authority of the university. And as reciprocal, he has to give the results also. Thank you very much.